Thinking of moving to Silicon Valley? Forget the crazy price tags. Fremont, California is one of America's happiest cities, and we're breaking down the best neighborhoods for 2025. Is it tech-forward Warm Springs, the historic charm of Niles, or the diverse heart of Irvington? Stick around to see which one truly ranks supreme and why your next move might be to the East Bay's secret gem. Welcome to the ultimate guide to Fremont, California, where we're not just looking at houses, we're uncovering lifestyles. For 2025, Fremont remains a beacon of opportunity in the Bay Area, consistently ranked as one of the happiest cities in America. It strikes that rare balance, the economic engine of Silicon Valley, but with a community focus and expansive natural beauty. Today, we dive deep into three distinct districts: Warm Springs, Irvington, and Niles, comparing their current real estate landscape, community feel, and what life truly looks like here right now. First up is Warm Springs, the undisputed modern powerhouse of Fremont. This district is a commuter's dream, strategically positioned in South Fremont, with immediate access to I-6080, I-880, and its own BART station, making the commute to San Jose or other Bay Area hubs remarkably streamlined. It is the definition of a transit-oriented community, designed for the modern professional. Warm Springs is an economic anchor, often called the hardware side of Silicon Valley. It's famously home to the massive Tesla factory, a major employer, along with other tech and life science companies like Seagate and Western Digital. This concentration of employment drives local development and keeps the area vibrant. If you're a young professional or a tech worker, Warm Springs' proximity to these hubs is a significant, tangible benefit. The residential atmosphere here is distinctly contemporary. You'll find a mix of newer, mixed-use developments, modern townhouses, and stylish apartments. Real estate in Warm Springs, while high value, offers a slightly lower median home price compared to some of Fremont's most exclusive pockets. As of late 2025, apartment rents hover around the $3,000 mark for 2 bedrooms, reflecting its desirability. Families are also drawn here for the excellent, high-performing schools in the Fremont Unified School District, which are consistently a top factor for Bay Area residents. The overall vibe is diverse, family-friendly, and continuously growing, with new parks and community spaces constantly being integrated into the landscape. Moving north, we find the expansive and diverse district of Irvington. Irvington is centrally located and offers a more established, traditional Fremont experience. It's historic, yet continually evolving, and its diversity is one of its strongest selling points. This is a neighborhood where you can find older, charming single-family homes alongside more affordable rental options, presenting a broader entry point into the Fremont housing market. Irvington's central location is key to its appeal. It has phenomenal walkability, especially around its central commercial area, known for authentic global eateries, boutiques, and grocery stores. The Irvington Farmers Market is a local institution, fostering that strong sense of community the area is known for. Commuting is still manageable, with easy access to I-680 and I-880, as well as the nearby Fremont BART station. In terms of real estate, Irvington offers more approachable median home values than Warm Springs, typically in the high $1 million to $1.4 million range for single-family homes, though prices are always in flux. For renters, the average apartment rent here is notably lower than Warm Springs, offering a better deal for those not ready to purchase. Crime rates are very close to the city average, ensuring it remains a highly desirable place for families who appreciate the balance of good schools and a vibrant, walkable neighborhood core. It holds its value not just in square footage, but in cultural richness and convenience. Finally, let's travel to Niles, a district that feels like stepping back in time. Niles is perhaps the most unique of the three. Known for its deep history, especially its role as an early filmmaking hub, the home of the Niles Essanay Silent Film Museum and its annual festival. If you seek old-world charm over high-tech polish, Niles is your destination. The appeal of Niles is less about the daily commute to a tech campus and more about lifestyle. It has a charming, quaint downtown with antique shops, cozy cafes, and a slower, more deliberate pace of life compared to the bustling centers of Irvington or Warm Springs. It's a place where residents genuinely appreciate the heritage and the close-knit feel. Real estate in Niles often involves historic properties, giving it a distinctive character. The median home price in Niles is generally higher than Irvington, often driven by the unique, desirable nature of its historic properties, frequently around the $1.5 to $1.6 million mark. It offers significant green space and a close connection to nature, bordering undeveloped mountains and parks. This neighborhood has a lower crime rate than the city average, a strong draw for families and retirees looking for peace and quiet, alongside the unique cultural offerings. So, how do we rank them for 2025? It depends entirely on your priority. In third place, we rank Niles. It offers unparalleled charm, historic uniqueness, and a lower crime rate. But its slower pace and higher barrier to entry for historic homes might not align with the average Bay Area professional's needs. It is the best choice for those prioritizing culture, quiet, and small-town feel within a large city. Coming in a close second is Irvington. Its phenomenal central location, superior walkability, and cultural diversity offer a well-rounded and deeply satisfying Bay Area lifestyle. Its more accessible rental market and broad range of housing stock make it a highly practical choice for many families and individuals. It's the ultimate balanced choice. Taking the top spot for 2025 is Warm Springs. Its future-forward appeal, anchored by major employment hubs like the Tesla factory and the Warm Springs BART station, gives it a slight edge in terms of immediate economic value and modern convenience. Its contemporary housing stock, new amenities, and top-tier schools make it the most aggressively desirable neighborhood for the forward-thinking professional looking for a quintessential 2025 Silicon Valley life in one of the happiest cities in the nation. It truly represents the future of Fremont. Fremont is a city of incredible choice and vitality. Whether you choose the cutting-edge modernity of Warm Springs, the historic heart of Niles, or the balanced convenience of Irvington, you're investing in one of the East Bay's best opportunities.